Imagine this: five ancient civilizations once flourished on earth, each a beacon of power, trade, and culture: Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, Mesoamerica, and Indus Valley civilization. But here is where things take a strange turn. Mesopotamia wiped out, Egypt reduced to ruins. Other civilizations crumbled under invasion, climate change, or complete collapse. But one of them didn't die: the Indus Valley civilization. Despite its city vanishing, didn't disappear. It transformed. It still breathes in India's tradition, belief, and daily life. But how? How did India's civilization survive when others perished? And what secret ties did India share with the world's greatest empire? By the end of this video, you will never look at India's past the same way again. Long before the Silk Road or global trade routes, Mesopotamian merchants were desperately seeking something rare, something precious: fine cotton, exotic spice, and beads. Their only source, a distant land called Meluha, the Indus Valley civilization. Harappan seals have been found in Mesopotamian cities like Ur and Susa, proof of thriving trade network. Meluhan ships are mentioned in Mesopotamian records describing Harappan trade docking at their ports. India introduced cotton textile to the world, softer than anything the Mesopotamians had ever seen before. Harappan's beads were made from carnelian, lapis lazuli, and agate, were treasured in Mesopotamian graves. But then something changed. Around 1900 BCE, trade routes started collapsing. Meluha vanished from the Mesopotamian records, and the once thriving connection was severed. But why? What happened next? While Mesopotamians looked east to India, Egyptians had their own secret connection to the land of Indus. Egyptian mummies from 2000 BCE have been found wrapped in Indian cotton, providing India's textile were prized across continents. Traces of Indian black pepper were found in the nose of Pharaoh Ramses II's mummy, evidence that Indian spices were reaching Egypt's elites. The Apis bull cult of Egypt eerily resembles the sacred bull Nandi in Hindu tradition, and was this a shared spiritual connection? But while Egypt built pyramids to preserve its kings for eternity, India was preserving something even more powerful: a culture that could withstand time itself. Now let's turn to another ancient superpower, China, a land of emperors, warriors, and a civilization that shaped Asia. But even here, India left its mark. Buddhism, born in India, transformed China's spiritual landscape. Indian monks like Kumar Jiva Bodhidharma traveled to China carrying ancient Sanskrit texts that reshaped Chinese thoughts. Ever wondered where Shaolin Kung Fu came from? Some believe that Bodhidharma himself introduced meditation and combat techniques to the Shaolin monastery, laying the foundation for Chinese martial arts. Ancient Silk Road trade record shows India exporting spices, herbal medicines, and even advanced astronomical knowledge to China. While China and Egypt built grand monuments, India was exporting something even more valuable: ideas, traditions, and philosophies that would outlast stone and metals. But by now, you might be wondering, if India was so deeply connected to the world's greatest civilizations, why did Indus Valley civilization collapse? Here's where the history takes another twist. Unlike Mesopotamia and Egypt, were ravaged by wars and invasions, the Indus Valley civilization slowly faded but did not die. A 5,000-year-old Harappan seal shows a figure sitting in a yogic posture surrounded by animals. Many believe this is the earliest depiction of Lord Shiva as Pashupati, Lord of Animals. The spiritual tradition of the Indus people merged into later Hinduism. The Harappan figurines depict a mother goddess symbolizing fertility and creation. This evolved into later worship of Shakti, Durga, and Kali. Ancient Indus pottery contains a swastik symbol still sacred to Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Did you know buttons were first invented in Indus Valley? Harappans made decorative buttons out of seashells. They also had highly precise standardized weight, which influenced Indian trade system for centuries. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro had drainage systems so advanced that they wouldn't be rivaled until Roman Empire, proof of an incredibly sophisticated society. So while the physical cities of Indus Valley were abundant, its culture, its belief, and its way of life never truly disappeared. Instead, it became the foundation of what we have now calling as the Indian civilization. While Mesopotamia and Egypt faded into ruins, Indian civilization evolved, adapted, and thrived. And today, when you practice yoga, worship Shiva, or use swastik for good luck, wear cotton clothes, see sacred cow being revered, you are witnessing a 5,000-year-old legacy still alive today. The Indus Valley civilization did not vanish, it became India and Bharat. And that is the secret why India's civilization is the longest living in the world. So, what do you think? Is the Indus Valley civilization still alive in modern India or did it truly disappear? Let's discuss in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind blowing stories from the history.